Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn noise cancellation on or off on your AirPods, AirPods Pro or AirPods Max. Whether you want full immersion or prefer to hear what's around you, I have got you covered. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad. Just pop them into your ears and check for the connected state at the top of the screen. Now swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Then press and hold the volume slider. You will see additional audio options appear. Here you can toggle between noise cancellation for blocking out background noise, transparency mode to hear your surroundings clearly, and off for standard listening without noise control. Tap the one you want and that's it. You can also change the modes from the Settings app. Go to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and then tap on the I button next to your AirPods name. Under Noise Control, choose between Noise Cancellation, Transparency or Off. If you want a newer model of AirPods Pro or AirPods, then you won't see the Off option. Instead, you can set your AirPods to Adaptive Mode, which blends the noise cancellation and transparency modes together and controls the level of noise you hear in your headphones. You can also switch between noise cancellation and transparency modes by pinching the stem of your AirPods Pro until you hear a chime sound. You can customize this shortcut in settings too. And that's how you turn noise cancellation on or off for your AirPods. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone and AirPods tips. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.